Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Pour 1 cup milk into a small saucepan and add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. Stir briefly so dry ingredients contact the liquid. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt to balance bitterness. This matters. Heat on medium, do not boil, so flavors bloom without scorching. Once the milk is warm, whisk vigorously to dissolve lumps. You want a smooth base. Make sure to keep the burner steady and your whisk moving, because texture forms in these first minutes. Continue by lowering heat to a gentle simmer and whisking for 2 to 3 minutes. This develops a silky texture and blends cocoa fully. If you want richer mouthfeel, stir in 1 tablespoon cream or 1/4 tsp vanilla now. These deepen flavor without extra effort. Taste and adjust sweetness in 1 tsp increments because small changes matter. Once done, the drink should coat the back of a spoon. If it seems thin, simmer another minute while whisking to concentrate flavors and thicken slightly. Finish by removing the pan from heat and pouring the chocolate drink through a fine sieve into your cup to catch any stray bits. You can top with foam or whipped cream and dust with cocoa for presentation. This enhances aroma. Make sure to serve warm, not boiling. High heat dulls flavor. If the drink is grainy, return to very low heat and whisk vigorously. This dissolves sugar and cocoa clumps. 1 quick whisk fixes most texture problems. Taste and adjust before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.